Hey guys, this is Caroline. This is my husband Paul here. We are gonna do some drone flying today. We're actually testing out based on Don at Nova Spirit. He talked about the Dobby drone on his channel, and so I decided to go buy one based on his recommendation. So we've tested it a couple of times so far, and so far it's been exactly what Don said it was gonna be. It's a great little pocket drone, and so we're gonna show you flying it around today, and then we're gonna have a second drone, so stay tuned. Now we're gonna show you a palm takeoff. Woo. Woo, here we go. Palm landing. Boom! Look at that. Hopefully we got that on camera, but yeah, that was a palm landing. Oh, it's a beautiful day out here today. We're in Atlanta, Georgia in Piedmont Park. So we just tried the follow me feature, and it didn't go well because I ran too far out of the line of sight. So what you said?
Too fast.
I ran too fast. I ran too fast.
Oh, yeah.
And I ran in a straight line out of view of the drone. So what I've learned is I need to run in circles. So next time we'll try it on the track and I'll just run around the track.
Yeah.
Maybe.
All right. But it does work.
Okay.
So she's just too fast.
Thanks. I asked you to stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you my drone. I got this half off at Staples after the holiday season, and it's a TIE fighter. It's a Star Wars licensed product. It's a TIE fighter, and it comes with this remote control, and here it is. It came with 2 batteries. This is the training mode right here, so you're less likely to kill your little propellers here. So I've got it ready to go here. I'm going to put it in training mode. So I'm going to hold down this button.
Entering flight training.
Okay, flight training mode, and then I'm going to let's see if we can get it to take off.
You are clear for launch.
Whoa!
It went that way.
All right.
Flying in reverse.
Why does it like to go so far away from me? How do I get it to come back? Hey guys, so we're having a lot of fun flying our drones around today. I just want to give you a little tip about what I do with my drone. My drone came with 2 batteries. So I wear the first battery out all the way down, and then I brought my power bank charger and the little charging station with me, and I charge up my battery here, and then I fly the other battery until I wear that down, and I wait a few more minutes, and then my battery's fully charged, and then I can keep on going like this as long as I want to stay out here and fly the drone. So the batteries on these drones only last about 8 minutes, 10 minutes, somewhere in there. So it's great if you can recharge your batteries with a power bank charger. Well, thanks for watching my video on my TIE Fighter Star Wars drone here and the Dobby drone. So this one, it doesn't have a camera and it doesn't have person tracking. The Dobby drone had person tracking, so it was really cool, and it's got this video. So we'll try to mesh in some of those videos that we took actually from the Dobby drone. So hey, just want to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.